I'm so excited. I'm here on 30A. Got a home for you near Topsail Hill Preserve State Park. I can't wait to show it to you. Have you ever wanted your own family home right here in the beautiful 30A? Stay tuned. Today, I'm showing you a 3-bed, 2-bath, no short-term rentals on a cul-de-sac. How about this built-in banquette? All of this space for your dream kitchen. Expansive living room, splitting these bedrooms in this family home. Can you say, wow, this main ensuite has great space? So a great family neighborhood right here in this cul-de-sac for this 3-bed, 2-bath. So for more information, look in the description below. I've got the listing link there for you. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel, thebeachshow.com. I'll see you later.